Did you know that the earliest evidence of zodiac signs can be dated back to the first millennium BC? Hello there, viewers! Welcome back! Zodiac signs play a vital role in determining if he is the one for you or not. Of course, that's not the sole basis for any relationship, but it helps in getting to know your partner better and understanding their needs. If you've been through a recent breakup, then you must be missing your partner. But is he missing you, and do you want him to miss you? In this case, zodiac signs give you an insight into the personality, behavior pattern, and mood that can be commonly seen in people sharing a sun sign. Here's how you can make a man miss you based on their zodiac sign. Number 1. Aries. Are you in a romantic situation with an Aries man and maybe he's disappeared for a while? Do you want to reach out and not look too desperate for attention? Whatever the situation is, we've got your back. Aries men are visual and love initiating relationships with someone new. You can try on new looks, maybe change your makeup or hair color so that you look like a completely different version of yourself to an Aries man. It doesn't have to be a dramatic, over-the-top movie montage makeover. Last but not least, don't forget to top off your look with your killer confidence. Do you think astrology and zodiac signs play a role in developing a relationship? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below and let's talk it out. Number 2. Taurus. Taurus men make great partners, but they can get a little too self-involved and self-indulgent at times, which is kind of an ego boost for them. But this means that they do and say things that'll make you miss them more. One of the oldest tricks in the book to make a Taurus man miss you is to play hard to get. It may sound counterproductive, but it makes the man feel like he's not in control of the situation between you two. As a result of this, he'll try to be more attentive and involved as often as he can. This will make him crave for your company. Don't forget to channel your inner queen. Number 3. Gemini. Making a Gemini man miss you is tricky business. He loves his freedom, but that doesn't mean that he won't think of you every now and then. He may also not perceive things the way he's expected to. However, there's always a way. Indulging in new adventures is what a Gemini man thrives on. This means that you need to set some boundaries in order to make them curious. Since they have a wanderer's attitude, make sure to be fun, charming, and humorous whenever they're around. They love to spend time with you if they realize you're an adventurous soul yourself. Doesn't sound too bad now, does it? Number 4. Cancer. Cancer men are known for being emotional. They need loads of two things from a relationship: tons of attention and equally tons of space. This may seem a bit extreme, and due to their non-confrontational behavior, you may not be able to tell. You can remind them of the good times you had together. Being romantic, they love to think about all the positive energy you had brought into their life. They also love getting texts that make them feel good about themselves. No matter what zodiac sign you are, we think everyone should have someone in their life that makes them feel good about themselves. Number 5. Leo. The sun sign Leo signifies strength, pride, and honor. In a relationship, they like to be loyal and faithful to their partners. However, since they have ego issues, they don't like admitting that the relationship has any problems. Don't try to make them jealous, even if it's the first thing that comes to your mind. Instead, ignore a Leo man for him to take notice of you or sense that something's wrong. He'll miss the attention you used to give him and will start missing you more. Number 6. Virgo. Virgo guys are calm and sensitive at heart. They like having stimulating conversations with expressive women. Your relationship may sizzle out as a result of a Virgo man feeling that you don't understand him or are becoming emotionally detached. In case you guys have developed some distance but you wish to get back with him, then you have to make him miss you. It's the small things that count for a Virgo man. The subtle hints that you leave in their mind leaves him wanting you. It can be lighthearted flirting because they have a habit of keeping things to themselves and analyzing actions later on. Make him feel relaxed and accepted so that he can talk to you about anything. Number 7. Libra. Men born under this sign are warm, compassionate, and in fact, quite the flirt without even realizing it. They choose to be in a relationship over being single. This means that if you truly want your Libra man to miss you, then you can win him back if you play your cards right. You need to be upfront since Libra man doesn't like wasting their time. Basically, you're gonna have to be honest. You can also take a creative approach since they have a keen eye for creativity and works of art by maybe changing your style sense. Number 8. Scorpio. Feeling like your Scorpio man is slipping away? Maybe he's being cold towards you and you want to make him miss you. There are a few ways you could try to remind him how great you both are together. In such a situation, start off by giving them some space. If a Scorpio man appears to be cold or distant, you should lay off for a while. This will give him some time to think and figure out his feelings. Putting pressure would make things worse and he would start withdrawing from you more. After giving him some time, you can drop in a text that he may appreciate, but remember to not appear desperate. If these are done right, then you'll have your Scorpio man next to you in no time. Number 9. Sagittarius. You may be missing the positive energy and happy-go-lucky attitude of your Sagittarius guy. They're known for being the life of the party and also for their fun, enthusiastic nature. It's a whole different story if you want to make them miss you. They're the most independent of all the zodiac signs, which makes things a bit difficult. If you really want a Sagittarius man to miss you, then it's important for you to mirror a couple of his habits whenever you get a chance to meet. This will leave a lasting impression in their mind about you. It'll also mean that you'll have to be spontaneous and ready for adventure to match their outgoing nature. After all, how can he not miss you after having a great time with you? Did you know that there are certain things women do subconsciously that men notice? Are your habits on the list? Find out the 12 things men pay attention to but you don't. Now back to how to make a man miss you based on their zodiac signs. Number 10. Capricorn. Born under the Capricorn sun sign, your man is unpredictable by nature and, more often than not, the more demanding one in your relationship. These men are known to pull away from their partner at times. So what can you do in such a situation? Can you even make him miss you? There's always an answer. A Capricorn man will respond once he has been given time to miss you. Maybe it's time for you to do some introspection yourself. You don't want to be too available for him. This would mean refraining from replying to his texts right away, making him wonder what you're up to. On the flip side, don't make him wait for too long, as you don't want to make him feel rejected or unwanted. Number 11. Aquarius. Are you yearning for your Aquarius man's attention? A man who falls under this zodiac sign takes their time to develop a relationship, since they want to be 100% sure that you're truly the one. If you feel like your man is developing walls around them, the traditional tried and tested methods to make him miss you won't work. A hint of mystery will definitely catch your man's attention right away. This happens because Aquarius men thrive on challenges and curiosities. Keep him hooked by not completely opening up about you, but instead telling him things bit by bit. Your memories will remain fresh in their mind, making them miss you. Number 12. Pisces. This water sign is the most sensitive and emotional of all the signs. They're known for being intuitive and love spending time away from all the noise. They love being in their world so much that sometimes it becomes a problem, especially for someone in a relationship. You're gonna have to do some serious prodding to make him miss you, and here's how to do it. You'll have to get him intrigued about you. Pisces men love mystery. Did things get dull before he started to pull away from you? If so, then you need to add some spark to make him miss you. This means start ignoring his calls. Keep yourself busy and make him keep thinking about why you're not responding. This will keep him reaching out and missing you. Do you think zodiac signs can be helpful in rebuilding your relationship with your special someone? What other ways have they helped you in the past? We would love to know and get the comment section going. Enjoyed this video? Hit like, share, and subscribe to Bestie. Wait, what kind of bestie are we if we don't tell you about our other awesome videos? Go ahead, choose the left or right video and enjoy.